What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're going to be taking everything back to basics. Over the next month or so, I plan on doing a video every day, kind of just trying to get better every day. Every day we're going to pick a technique, every day we're going to pick some colors, and we're going to try to make something beautiful. So the colors I'm working with are titanium white, cerulean blue, phthalo blue, and a little bit of gold. Now, that was the only spot of gold that I'm going to put in there. The rest of the gold is going to go towards some embellishments. And all these paints are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. No oil was used, no coconut milk hair serum was used, with the exception of 1 color. I added some oil to the phthalo blue, and that is it. So with that, we're going to get into layering our cup. So when I'm layering my cup, I try to find areas of contrast. I try to layer the dark and the light colors, alternating. When I go through my color selection, normally I'll pick some darker colors, and then I'll pick a cooler color or a contrasting color that offers a lot of, vibrance and color variation. Because if you don't do that, if you don't have any contrasting colors, then you're going to end up with a pour that it doesn't have much detail to it. It can be beautiful, yes, but you have a much higher chance of creating something really cool if you add some contrasting elements to it. Now, as this dries, there'll probably be more, but for now, this is what we have. So let me get you guys down here. We're gonna check this thing out, and then hopefully you'll just take this and go do it at home. Very flowing and ethereal. There are a couple bubbles like that one that I'm gonna get before I let it dry. But it looks gorgeous, like a blue marble, with little tiny flakes of gold going through it, like that little gold line right there. Beautiful.